Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Advanced RV Centers here in Okeechobee, Florida. My name is Pat, and I'll be your host here for this video. I'm going to be demonstrating this nice 2017 Forester by Forest River. It's a model 3171 DS. This is a bunkhouse floor plan. Okay, it's got 39,000 miles sitting on the Ford E450 chassis. It's got brand new front steer tires that we just put on it. This is a consignment coach, by the way, now that it really matters. So let's get started and we'll show you a little bit about it. Again, front tires brand new, 2022 Firestones. It's got a new crank battery. You can see here we have our awning out. This awning in particular has speakers down on the end of the roller tubes. I hadn't seen that too often. As you can see, you also have an LED light strip up high. I'll point out that the awning is showing a little daylight in a few areas. That'll be something that will need to be replaced in the future, sooner than later. Moving along, outdoor TV. I don't see that too often on these Class C's. Nice feature. Propane down below here. Okay, you'll see a lot of this stuff in the photos, but just basic storage. Outdoor, you get some outlets there. Decals, a little faded in a few areas. No cracking or peeling. Just a little bit of fading. No delamination anywhere on the coach. Still nice and glossy. It's not all chalky. Okay. Moving along. Rear tires are 2019s. Missing a rear hubcap. Your slide toppers are in great condition. Very good roof condition. Again, you can see some additional photos if you'd like on the rvtrader.com. You can just do a dealer search. Advanced RV Centers will pull up all our current ads. Okay, LED tail lights and turn signals. Roof material is a fiberglass roof. Not very common on a lot of Class C's, so that's a bonus. Okay, that was another storage bay, just like the first one I showed you. This one here, same thing. And you got access to your water filter and your water pump there for winterizing. This coach, I do want to mention, it has air ride suspension in the rear for towing, called Ride Right system. In the very back, you got a pass-through storage bay. Small door on this side. Driver side has a larger access door. We'll show you that in a minute. They've hit a branch or something here with the slide, caused a little cosmetic damage. Rear bumper got a dent in it. Yeah, we like to point all this stuff out, the good, bad, and the ugly. There's a large access to that pass-through storage I talked about. Okay. Down here is going to be your sewer connections. Going to come with all the hoses that you need. A little outdoor shower in that door. You see, you got a nice LED light there. Now this storage box here, the same thing, both the same size. Okay. And you got your generator. Bear with me. 4,000 watt. You see you got the side view cameras when you activate your blinker. All the slide seals are in good shape. A lot of these Class C's are notorious for having delamination up on this front cap. It's all in great shape. Let's take you inside. I do want to mention this coach has hydraulic leveling jacks. Not very common on Class C's. Also, automatic leveling jacks. 39,000 miles, cold AC. All the seats are in good shape. The upholstery, all real good, no peeling like you see. There's a little scratch mark here from a dog or whatever they had. That's the only place. I like the color of the cabinets. Like a modern whitewash. Not sure what you'd call it. Looks good though. I don't believe they ever cooked on this cooktop. Looks brand new. Same thing with the oven. Microwave as well. Doesn't get much cleaner than that. Dometic refrigerator. Another nice feature I like is this LCI control panel. Controls your awnings, generator, all your lighting, a bunch of different stuff. All your tank levels, it's all in one place. If I want to turn these lights off, I'm not running around the whole coach hitting each individual switch. I could just hit this master and they all turn off. How nice is that? I love it. Your bunks here on the slide, right across from the bathroom. Our own TV, DVD player, bathroom. Got a small tub, stand-up shower, plenty of room, nice and tall. In the hallway, again, you have another control panel that operates all the same functions as I just showed you. Queen size bed. Real nice, comfortable mattress, pillow top mattress. Nice cozy little area. Wardrobe space, cedar line, his and hers, same thing on that side. I do have to point out the back corner here has a soft spot, so that'll need attention. It'll be priced accordingly. Other than those few things I pointed out, everything works 100%. It's gonna make somebody a nice coach. Bunkhouse is what really attracts me to it. Well, again, I want to thank you for watching 2017 Forest River Forester, 39,000 miles, Bunkhouse model. please give us a call. Hope to hear from you soon. 561-719-9774. Thank you.